we are and where we are from. Family is therefore a source of great happiness.
Yes, what it is, a source of great happiness. Family is what we get from family, beta. We get the what type of customs we have to follow, what type of rituals we have to follow, right? Sometimes we feel that family is a place which is always, not sometimes, but always we feel that it is a source of great happiness, right? Now today, okay, we will see types of families, okay, migration of families, why migration of families takes place, and all this now we are going to see in this chapter. Now, what does a family requires? It requires support for the survival, right? Financial support, then emotional support, physical support, and all this type of support is required, right? Suppose, for example, for your survival, right? What all you need? You need security, you need money, you need a house to live in, है ना? आप सबको ये सब चीजों की जरूरत पड़ेगी, right? So for all this reason, हमें क्या चाहिए? Our life becomes very tough. Indeed, if we don't have a family, our life becomes very tough, right or wrong?
Right.
Hmm. So what is a family? Come on, family is a group of people tracing their origin from a common ancestor. Common ancestors means who are the common ancestors means your grandparents, parents, uncle, aunt. उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Common ancestors. क्या बोलते हैं? Hmm? Who are they known as? बेटा?
Common sisters.
Sisters नहीं.
Common
Ancestors.
sisters.
Ancestors. Common ancestors बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं बेटा?
Common ancestors.
Very good. Now, in such type of family, okay, we get, a sense who we
Ma'am,
are.
Roshan is not present because Rubina Mahavich has present her screen.
Sorry,
Rubina Mahavich has present her screen. Ataya
why was
Zehra.
Zera? See that you don't present your screen in middle, okay? Yes, now is it presenting? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
So, family is a group of people tracing their origin from a common ancestor. From whom, beta? From a common,
Common ancestor.
yes, from a
Common
common.
ancestor.
Hmm. See, we have in common. See, for example, you have your grandparents, right? Then they have their parents, फिर उनके भी ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स होते हैं, है कि नहीं? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this way they are called ancestors. Yes, from father to grandparents and from grandparents to parents, like that way. Now many of the things comes to us in hereditary.
Yes,
Hereditary means
ma'am.
what? Huh?
Common and
Huh?
common.
Sorry? Means what? Hereditary means what? Okay, if I give you one example, you will understand. You look beautiful like your mother, or you look beautiful like your grandmother, है ना? તો what do people say કે આ એના મમ્મી જેવી સરસ લાગે છે, આ એના પપ્પાની જેવીની હાઈટ છે, that is hereditary. Okay, that what you get
Yes.
from your parents, that is hereditary. Sometimes when you go to a doctor, at that time doctor also says you something, that also is he asks you some questions, है ना? That is also like in hereditary. मतलब कि sometimes they also ask you that do you have certain types of sickness, certain types of problems like your parents. So that is he wants to know your hereditary. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it clear till here?
Yes.
Yes. So why have a family? Okay. Why do we have a family? Family provides us the support needed for our survival. It also provides security, love, and comfort. Now, what is this? What does your family provide you? Who will say me? Huh? Who will say
What,
me?
ma'am?
What does a family provide you? Yes,
Happiness.
pleasure, happiness, and
Means happiness. Then if
hmm?
means
Survival.
sometimes happiness, sometimes sadness.
Sometimes
Family is that.
if if they give
Yes,
you
family.
punishment, then you feel like sad, right?
Yes. Sometimes family have very happiness, and sometimes the family have very sadness.
Okay, chalo. So in all the
And
cases, we require a family. They provide us security, love, and comfort, right? Comfort to live in a house, comfort to do your own work at accurately time. All this is what, right? Then security means what? That whenever you are at home, है ना, at that time you feel secure that yes, my parents are there, right? Like that way, right? That is security, right? So our life will be tough indeed if we had no families. If we had no families, our life would be very tough, right? Common physical traits. Now, what are common physical traits? They are the things that we get from our parents, like our physical features. Physical features એટલે કે આપણે જેવા દેખાતા હોય ને, those are known as physical features. What are they known as?
Physical
physical
fitness.
Yes, they are known as physical
physical fit.
features. Yes, very good. So that we get all this from where? We get all this from where? From our family. Like your nose is like your mother, your hairs are like your grandmother, your height is like your grandfather, your father, like that way. All these are physical features, right? And this enables others to recognize a group of people belonging to one family. What does it recognize? Okay, these are the group of people that belong to one family. Do you understand my point? Girls, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Chalo. Once again, we'll revise this slide and then we'll move to the other one. Who will revise it?
Ma'am, I
Ma'am,
can
Kevin,
read.
Kishwani, Fatima,
Ma'am,
Zahra.
can I Keshwani Fatima?
Yes, Keshwani Fatima.
Yes, ma'am. Which Keshwani Fatima?
Huh?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can I
there are
read
two Fatima.
But the one who asked right now the permission.
Ma'am, I
Kishwani,
asked to
Zahra.
you.
Yes, Fatima. Read better.
Yes, ma'am.
There are two Fatima, one Fatima Zahra Muhammad Taki, and one Fatima Mehdi Hassan.
I am Keshwani Fatima Mehdi Hassan.
I am Kishwani Fatima Zahra Muhammad Taki. We are cousins, that's why it is so problem.
No problem. Anyone who will read.
Okay, ma'am. So, what is a family? A family is a group of people tracing their origin from a common ancestor. Family gives us a sense of who we are and where we are from. Family is therefore a source of great happiness. Why have a family? Family life provides the support needed, the survival. It also
Survival.
provides security,
Survival.
survival, survival. It also provides security, love, and comfort. Our life would be very low indeed if we had no females. Common
See,
physical
families.
traits.
Families.
Family.
Common physical
Co-
need. Physical.
Physical traits. Most members of a family will carry with them creatine, common physical features, and it is the traits which enable others to recognize a group of people belonging to one family.
Yes. So, what you everyone understood this paragraph?
Yes.
So, I
Yes,
am
ma'am, I
proud
can.
of. Yes. So, see, here is one explanation given. We are alive. Okay. See, this is a true story of one boy. Okay. Yes, better continue.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I
ma'am.
give
This
enough?
is the true story of Himanta, an 11 years old boy from the village of Rasulpur who was lost and then got reunited with his family. It was the year 206. The harvesting season had just got over.
Harvesting. Harvesting.
Harvesting season had just got over and we were all planning to go to the annual Mahavira fair in the village Nabari. On the day of the fair, my brothers and I woke up early and excitedly got
Dressed.
dressed Baba, Amma, and who had our breakfast of chapatis, vegetables, and corn and tea, and then who left for the fair. It looked as if people from all comers were throwing the fair. Suddenly the clouds burst and there
Burst.
was
Burst
a
means burst.
burst, and there was a tremendous downpour. Everyone began everyone began running. Everyone began running holler scholar in the ensuing chaos. I got separated from my family. Some hours later, when it began drizzling, some rescuers found me hiding in the hole of a tree. One of them, I don't remember who, immediately on seeing me asked, "Aren't you Shanu devised John?" "Yes," replied weakly within an hour. I was reunited with
With a
my family.
only
Do you
an hour. Within an hour.
reunite with me, with my family? Do you know how this miracle happened? You see, my Amma and I share an Yunsanni Yunsanni
Yes.
res-
Resemblance.
resemblance. We both have arched eyebrows and a broad forehead. This bicycle similarity saved me that day.
Yes. This bicycle physical similarity saved me that day. Okay. Now, what it is
Yes.
in this story? It is a true story of Hemanta. Of whom it is? The boy named, boy का नाम क्या था बेटा?
Himanta.
Yes, girls. What was the boy's name?
Himanta.
And is it a true story or not? Is it a true story?
No.
Girls, yes, it is a true story. ट्रू स्टोरी है कि नहीं ये?
Yes. True story.
Then who said no? Sure, no
Yes.
problem. It is a true story of an 11-year-old boy from the village of Rasulpur. Which village? Village named? What was the village
Means
name?
who are living in village.
Sorry?
Who are living in village means
Yes, yes. It is a very true story of a boy living in a village named Rasulpur. Okay. Now, who was lost and then got ruined with his family. Means what? He was lost. Now, how he was lost, that we are going to see in this paragraph, okay, in this story. Yes, this is a story of which year, beta?
206.
Na, what do you pronounce it? Say me.
2006.
Who said 206? 206 कौन बोला? Who said it 206, beta? It is 2006. Okay, we are reading this story of the year 2006. Which year?
2006.
Ah, okay. Now, in this story, what happens ahead that we will see. Okay. Now, it was the
Yes.
year 2006. The harvesting season had just got
Excuse me,
over.
ma'am.
Yes, beta say. बोलो. Who said
मैम
excuse me?
आपका वॉइस कट रहा है. No, ma'am, your voice is clear.
Yes, who is not able to listen me? कौन मुझे सुन नहीं पा रहा है? See,
Yes, ma'am.
please take your network, okay? Girls, other girls can listen me, no?
yes sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So the harvesting season had just got over. क्या complete हुआ था? Harvesting season, right? You all have learned in your science what is harvesting season, right? So it had just got over. Okay, what had just gone over? The harvesting season had just got over, and we were all planning to go to the annual Mahavishya fair. नाउ तब वहां पे रसूल रसूल विलेज में एक फेयर होता था. ओके, एंड दैट फेयर वाज नोन एज एनुअल महाशिवया फेयर. शिवाय शिव भगवान को मानते हैं ना, उनका फेयर इन द नियर बाय विलेज. ओके, one day of the fair, my brothers and I woke up early and excitedly and got dressed. What did they got, beta? They got dressed, means they got ready. What did they got, beta?
Ready.
Yes, they got ready. Right? Now after that, what will they go? They will go to the fair. Right or wrong? Now Baba, Amma and we had our breakfast. Means the father, mother and the children. They had their breakfast of chapatis, vegetables and tea. And then we left for the fair. And then they went for the fair. Mele. Fair means mela. What is the fair means?
Leah.
मेला. मेले में जाते हो ना आप लोग? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So then they went for the fair. कहाँ के गए? कहाँ पे गए वो लोग?
Fair.
Fair.
Yes, then what did they do? They enjoyed that. But what happened? It looked as if people from all corners were thronging in the fair. Means they all were enjoying and running and enjoying in the fair. Suddenly the clouds burst and there was a tremendous downpour. Means what? Cloud burst means there suddenly the rain started. What happened, beta?
Rain started.
Yes, and then what happens? Everyone will start running now. Generally, if we also go in a fair and if it starts to rain, then what do? We try to run and move in the place where there is very less rainfall or where we can get protection, right?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
But yes, my dear students, always remember when you try to go and stand somewhere where there is no rainfall or very less rainfall, see that you don't stand under the tree or under the uh, this bark of plants. Okay. Uh, Otherwise, it will sometimes what will happen that you will the tree may fall also suddenly, right? Understood? Is it clear till here? Don't stand under electric poles or don't stand under the trees and these things. Otherwise, it may fall also sometimes. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. So what happened? That they everyone began running, helter and skelter. Okay, like they were running here and there, and in this and the ensuing chaos, what happened? Hemant, what was the boy's name? Hemanta. What was his name? Hemanta, right?
Hemanta.
Yes. What happened? He suddenly got separated from his family. What happened, बेटा? वो अपनी फैमिली
Separated.
हाँ so अब क्या होगा वो सेपरेटेड हो गया है तो see whenever such things happen तो don't get panic okay panic मतलब कि घबराई नहीं जवानों okay sometimes it may happen with anyone so don't get panic what you should do you should wait your parents will try to search you out and you should also put attempts to get find your parents okay don't get panic घबराई नहीं जवानों okay is it clear so some
Yes,
hours
ma'am.
later so he was separated from his family some hours later when it began drizzling means કે drizzling means what કે થોડીક કલાક પછી પાણી ઓછું થઈ ગયું પડવાનું હે ને so some hours later when it started drizzling
मैम
some
ये लिखने का है.
नहीं बेटा आपको सुनना है स्टोरी है some rescuers found me hiding in the hole of tree rescuers means what the people who come and rescue the people who are you know in trouble okay so what did they do they found out the boy who was in trouble and what did they do they found him where चलो बताओ मुझे वो कहाँ छुपा था लड़का because of rainfall where was he hiding कहाँ छुपा था वो because of rainfall
Hole of a tree.
yes so he was then where he was hiding because he was separated from his family right so suddenly when the rescue team came found him hiding in the hole of a tree. One of them, I don't remember who, immediately on seeing me asked, are you Sahu Devi's son? Yes, I replied weakly. Weakly मतलब कि वो थोड़ा घबरा गया था तो वीकली मतलब धीरे से उसने आंसर दिया जैसे हमारा बॉडी भी वीक हो जाता है ना तो वो रेस्क्यू करने जो आए थे उन्होंने क्या पूछा उनको क्या पूछा कि आप साहू देवी के सन हो क्या पूछा
Aren't you Shanu Devi's son?
हाँ, क्या पूछा है? क्या पूछा बेटा? आर यू साहू देवी सन?
अरे ट्यूशन
हम्म।
सन।
यस। कैसे रिकॉग्नाइज किया होगा उसको, बोलो मुझे, चलो।
What?
कैसे रिकॉग्नाइज? हाँ, कैसे रिकॉग्नाइज किया होगा, कैसे पता चला होगा उनको? ओ, जो बचाने आए थे उनको कैसे पता चला होगा? बिकॉज, यस, व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ हिज फिजिकल सिमिलैरिटीज। ओके, मतलब कि आप आपके मम्मी जैसे दिखते हो, पापा जैसे दिखते हो, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जैसे दिखते हो, तो आपको पहचानना कितना इजी हो जाता है। अगर कोई आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को पहचानते हो तो, है ना, કે તમે એની જેવા દેખાવ છો એમ ખ્યાલ આવી જોઈએ સામે વાળાને. So
Yes.
same way, within an hour, I was reunited with my family. Reunited means what? Again, मिलाप हो चुका था. Reunited with my family. Do you know how this miracle had happened? मतलब कि ये चमत्कार कैसे हुआ था? How this miracle had happened? You see, my Amma and I shared an uncanny resemblance. मतलब कि हम थोड़े थोड़े एक दूसरे के जैसे दिखते हैं. I look like my amma, my mother, my grandmother. We both have arched eyebrows. हम दोनों के eyebrows सेम है. And a broad forehead. मतलब कि आप जो कपाल है ना, माथु, तो broad means हम दोनों का head भी सेम है. कभी कभी कोई आपको नहीं बोलता कि આ બેન જેવી જ દેખાય છે, આ એના પપ્પા જેવો જ દેખાય છે, એના મમ્મી જેવી જ દેખાય છે, right? So what happened? This physical similarity saved me that day. किसने उनको बचाया उस दिन? ऐसे फिजिकल सिमिलैरिटीज ने उनको उस दिन बचाया. राइट? राइट और रॉन्ग? सो व्हाट डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम दिस
Right.
स्टोरी? Yes. So this type of similarity saved me that day. There are also some physical features that may be similar to the members of our extended family. These physical features are the habits that are transferred to the next generations. How are they transferred, beta? To the next generations by units of hereditary called genes. What are they called? Genes. Okay. My grandmother's sister was short and stocky like me. No one in the family is like us. I always fold my hands like my uncle. है ना? कभी आपकी सिटिंग हैबिट्स भी आपके किसी भी फैमिली मेंबर्स की जैसी होती है. कभी आपकी ईटिंग हैबिट्स, सिटिंग हैबिट्स, all this is like your family members. Understood? So this way, we are different from our family members. Do you get my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what did we understand in this? Hmm. So what did we understand in all these paragraphs, beta? Huh? Hmm? What did we understand, beta?
Family is very important.
Yes, family is very important. Yes, apart from that, physical features are also important. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Means
ma'am.
how you are
Yes,
looking, आप,
ma'am.
हाँ, आप किसके जैसे दिखते हो, है ना?
Yes.
All this from where do we get? All this from where
Yes.
do we get?
From
Yes, नहीं
family.
कहाँ से? Yes, from family. Yes. So whenever you face